What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another weekly Outlook video. Today is the 15th of March, 2025. We're going to be talking about the euro and the euro USD and euro JPY. So, start off with the futures market. Start off with euro futures contract. So, we could see that we are currently on a weekly demand supply zone, this drop base drop. We're inside that zone. A little bit above, we could see another weekly and even a monthly supply zone. So price might this week might drop a little, or it just might continue to touch that monthly supply. Now we go to the daily. We see that there's a rally based drop. Price is currently inside that zone, so we're inside the big brother, small brother coverage. So technically, we are good. We also have this EMA touching price, and let's take a look at the fundamentals. So now we are, we can see that we are above this horizontal line, which when retailers were above or in that line, we could see bearish move like here. They were this bullish. We could see this bearish move. They were this bullish here, and then we could see like three or 4 weeks of downwards movement. So now we're above that zone. So I'm expecting price to start to come down. All right, now we could see also on the daily, we could see that there's the valuation against the dollar is we're overvalued. The euro is overvalued against the US dollar. So I'm expecting price to push down. Now, if we go to the euro USD, which is the pair that we trade in Forex, so it's the same thing. We have this drop base drop. Price is inside that zone. We also have the daily, which is this rally base drop. So price is currently inside that zone. All we're looking for to pull the trigger is simply a break of structure. We're doing higher highs and higher lows. Now, if we break under this previous higher low, then we have clean traffic to the left to continue to come down. All right, so I'm expecting price to break this support, give us a pullback, give us a bearish engulfing or an entry signal to enter a trade, and then we would put our stops right above here potentially, and then potentially we could target these lows right here because we have a gap and gaps usually get filled. So that's what I am expecting from Euro USD. If Euro USD just continues to go to the upside and doesn't give us a break of structure, I will not be entering this trade. So if in the daily it closes above this blue line, then I'm not interested anymore in shorting until it reaches that monthly zone, which is this one. This rally, then this candle would be the supply zone, and then we have this massive drop. So here is when institutions came into the market and pushed the price down. So if it breaks on the daily above that zone, then I'll be waiting for price to reach that supply level on the monthly time frame. So yeah, that's Euro USD. Now let's talk about Euro JPY. So Euro JPY, we could see that we are on a downtrend. We were doing lower lows and lower highs, and then we created a lower low, and we could touch with the trend line. There's like about four. There's one, two, three, four trend line touch. So this is a valid trend line. Okay. So also we have this rally based drop where price originated, where the drop originated from. We haven't touched that zone yet. So I'm expecting this week to push to that zone. So we refined that zone with the Fibonacci. So we drew our fib levels, and then it gave us this negative 27, the 127, 161.8, and then we have 278.6 uh, levels. So I drew this Fibonacci confluence zone, which is inside that supply zone. Now I'm expecting price to push a little, and when it pushes, it's gonna be the fourth touch of the trend line. It's gonna be touching the supply zone on the daily, and it's gonna be touching the fib confluence zone. All right, so it's a great zone to put our entries. My entry is exactly at the beginning of the zone. My stop loss is just a little bit above the zone, and then I'm targeting almost a 1 to 4. Now, if price touches the zone, it gives us a good reaction. I'm just going to be waiting for another. Uh, I'm just going to be waiting for a break and retest. So let's say for example, it touches the zone like this, touches the zone, gives us a reaction. It breaks this support zone, uh, making it a resistance now. It breaks a retest. I'm going to be looking to short on the 1 hour time frame. Um, if it gives us an entry signal, and then I'm going to be targeting again the same take profit as the original trade. So yeah, that's pretty much the trade I'm looking at this week. I'm looking at ELDA JPY and ELDA USD to short both of them if it gives us the entry confirmation. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Bye bye.